tell which brands I love? I think it's pretty obvious by now. So I always bring this on any trip. And I almost forgot toiletries and skincare. If I were, bro, I would be so stressed. Hey guys, come pack with me for Yosemite. This is gonna be my first time camping. Wow. And I am excited but also nervous because I've never been camping, so I don't know what it's about. I don't know if I can survive in the wilderness with bugs, but since we do have a campsite, my boyfriend told me that we're going to have bathrooms. There are bathrooms on the trails that we're going on, and we'll be fine because all I have to do is pack my clothes. The weather is going to be in the low 70s while we're there, so I'm going to try to pack as light as I can, but then also being mindful of wanting to have UV protection. We're going with my boyfriend's friend and his girlfriend, so it's kind of like a little double date trip, I guess. But I met them both before and they're awesome, really fun to be around, and both my boyfriend and his friend are experienced campers. Let's get started. So first, this is the bag that I'm trying to bring. It's kind of like a mid-sized duffel. I got it from DSW before, and I love it because it has a pocket for shoes. I think basically I'll just be putting in some flip-flops or sandals so then I can wear that to the showers. Speaking of showers, the first thing that I want to put in here is a towel because I really appreciate cleanliness. I want to be able to shower every day, so yay, I'll be all clean. Okay, that's one thing. And then based on how I need to shower, I need my flip-flops. So I always bring these flip-flops on any kind of trip I go to because I don't want to have my feet touch the hotel floors or showers. And I don't think I'll need any other shoes because I basically only have the sneakers that I'm going to be wearing, so that will last me throughout the whole trip. For jackets, I'm going to be bringing this Nike Dry Fit, so hopefully it won't be too warm while we're hiking, but if it is, I'll just take it off and put it on my shoulders or in my backpack or something. So I love how it has these little thumb holes. So stylish. I'm also going to be bringing 2 long sleeves because I'm really afraid of getting bitten by bugs, and also I like UV protection, and the first step to UV protection is having a physical barrier. So I'm gonna bring this one from Under Armour, just like a clean gray shirt, can go on top of anything. It also has thumb holes. And then this red one from Lululemon, which also has thumb holes. Love that. It's pretty thin, sweat wicking, will keep me dry. And then I have a lot of matching sets, which I'm excited for. So this is a set from Popflex Active. I got these tie-dye blue crisscross leggings, which have like a little V in the front. Also the matching bra top, which I love because it's a little longer, so it gives you like more coverage. And the second fit is navy blue. These are from Lululemon. I don't know what style they are, but they're just really long. I love them. They go with anything because they're navy. And then another top from Popflex. Third set is forest green. Very fitting for the occasion. Another pair of leggings from Lulu and a matching top from Popflex. Can you tell which brands I love? I think it's pretty obvious by now. Oh, and this is the corset top, so the back is so cute. Just in case I figure out that it's too hot, I'm bringing this Nike Pro so I can wear it the second day, which has no sleeves. For sleepwear, I assume it's going to be pretty cold at night, so I'm packing a pair of sweatpants from Cotton On that are just really comfy and cozy, and then also this top from Zella. It has fur on the inside too, so hopefully that'll keep me warm. Oh, and it has pockets. I love my pockets. A bunch of underwear, which you guys don't need to see. And then a lot of socks. When I'm traveling, I always bring a laundry bag because I don't want to mix my dirty clothes and my clean clothes at the end of the day. Everything just barely fits into this bag. Obviously it's stuffed, but I'm gonna bring another bag too because while I'm hiking, I'm gonna need to carry water, snacks, chargers, stuff like that. This is the other bag I'm gonna bring. It's also from DSW because whenever I buy shoes, they would give me free bags. The main pocket, it also has a zipper here, so then I can put smaller things in. Something I think that is really important, but a lot of people forget, is you need Band-Aids, alcohol pads, I don't know, just like anything you can think of if you might get hurt, because I feel like it's so underrated. You never think you need it until you actually need it. So I always bring this on any trips, especially this hydrocortisone. Like, what if you run into something itchy or you get bitten by a bug? So bringing that. Also earplugs in case it's loud at night or something, I can't sleep. And then antibiotic ointment and cough drops in case my throat gets dry. I wanted to bring sunglasses in case it's too sunny while I'm hiking. It's just good to have UV protection for your eyes too. And then charger pack and cable, pretty standard. I think it's also a good idea to bring electrolytes in case you don't want to drink too much water but still want to be hydrated. So I'm gonna pack some of that as well, and like a huge water bottle. And I know my boyfriend said there isn't going to be any problems with the bathroom, like there'll be bathrooms on the trail, but you never know when you're in the wilderness. So just in case, I'm going to bring some napkins and then also a bag to carry anything that needs to be disposed of. I'm going to bring hand sanitizer because you want to keep your hands clean before you eat anything. I'm also going to bring allergy meds and a bunch of random snacks. In case we get bored, I'm bringing a couple games. Coup, super fun, kind of like a strategy role-playing game and you don't know who's who. And then a deck of cards because you can't go wrong with that. And then also a hat because sun protection. Oh my gosh, and I almost forgot toiletries and skincare. I need my glasses, toothbrush, toothpaste, and then I'm trying to keep everything simple. This might not look simple to you guys, but using a moisturizing SPF kind of lip balm. I'm actually bringing a bunch of packets, so like moisturizer, sunscreen, face wash, because I always get samples from random places and then never use them, so this is the perfect time. An extra pair of contacts, contact solution, of course, deodorant, a must when you're going to be sweating and outdoors, and don't forget your sunscreen. Sunscreen number one. But luckily I'm not on my period, so I don't need to deal with pads or anything like that, but if I were, bro, I would be so stressed. Okay, now I'm just gonna deal with reorganizing all of this stuff so it can be packed into these bags. We are done packing. These are kind of heavy, but I hope I packed everything that I needed to and didn't overpack too much, but you know, it's better to be safe than sorry. I don't think there's going to be signal in all parts of Yosemite, so I think it'll be a good chance for me to just detach and detox from all the social media. It'll be good to be hiking around and smelling nature. And just get in some good quality time with friends. And I'm really excited to have s'mores. I cannot wait. If you made it this far, thanks for packing with me. Stay hydrated. Bye! Also, I wanted